Hello all, welcome back. On day 3 of Costa Rica trip, we went to aerial tram tour at Rainforest Adventures. This is a private owned property and they offer ziplining and aerial tram rides. Ziplining was really fun with not very intense zips but good enough to get the adrenal going. Later in the day, we did the more relaxing activity of riding the aerial trams, which basically are open cable cars. They take you to the various levels in the actual forest to experience the bird's eye view. It was a magical experience with cool, misty breeze blowing and beautiful birds singing all along. Very relaxing. We concluded that evening by having a dinner at a cute soda. They served us casados again with fried plantains, sauteed shrimp, and chicken in cream sauce, horchata, passion fruit lemonade, melon milkshake, and hot tea made of sugarcane juice, which was very unique and very unique to this region, it seems. So we tried it, it was really good. On day 4, we spent our entire day at La Paz Waterfall Gardens. This again is a private owned resort and gardens which offers beautiful tropical landscapes with lots of trails to explore with waterfalls. They also have an aviary, a beautiful enclosure of butterflies, and few native animals to see from close proximity. The trails were literally all steps going down along the waterfall. It took us maybe a couple of hours to go down while exploring. It was not too strenuous, but a very pleasant walk, especially with a little bit of sprinkle going on all afternoon. It was very beautiful. They also offered yummy lunch in their cafeteria with typical Costa Rican food in a buffet style. We really enjoyed it. Looking forward for more fun things to do in Costa Rica. Pura vida.